Hello and welcome back to my channel Chandrani does art, and I'm Chandrani. In this video we are gonna learn how to draw leaves in simple way with few tools. Let's get started. Let's talk about the tool first. So these are some kind of leaves that I have drawn for this illustration purpose. Now I have sketched here with just a normal brush. So now we are going to select the lasso tool over here, and here you can find 4 options under lasso tool. So we are gonna select these 2 options. First of all, add selection, and now I'm adding selection. I'm just doing the drawing again with a quick selection mode too. I'm in the lasso tool. I always prefer to select the area first and then color it. So for this purpose, I always choose lasso tool. So in this video, in this drawing, you can see I'm choosing the lasso tool here, and then I am coloring it. I'm selecting this green. I think this will look great. Okay, so now this here you can see your foreground color is green, that just you have selected now, and I'm pressing Alt backspace. So this is the shortcut of foreground color, and now I'm creating a group. You can select it here. So this is a group now, and now I'm just making another layer, and I'm just keeping the layer under the first one. So here will be the next part of the leaves. Okay, so these are the darker leaves which are under the first layer of the leaves. Now, as a beginner, I don't recommend to draw a lot of details, but just the simple shapes and with simple color. Now it's time to give a shade. For color, I'm using soft brush tool. For the second layer, I'm gonna choose here a little darker than it's now. Here I can tell you that it's up to you. How much do you prefer the detailings on your drawing? It's absolutely up to you. If you want, you can leave it simple as it's now. But if you want to add some more details, you can add that. Now we have to give some finishing touches. Now I am drawing the leaves, repeating on the same process that I have previously mentioned. I am using here just the soft brush which Photoshop will provide you. You don't need to download from any other site for this purpose, as we are beginner and we are just learning. So this is the fact. Once you learn the method, you can always play with the color and the shape always, and also you can add your detailings as much as you like. Color purpose, you can always play with colors because in illustration world there's fantasy kind of leaves we can draw. Now you can see I am playing with the color. Wait, one thing. If you are new, please do subscribe my channel. The bell notification icon so that each and every time you will be notified whenever I upload any kind of useful video. Okay? Please hit the like button if you have learned something from this video, and I'm sure you have learned something. So please hit the like button. It will motivate me to upload more videos like this, and of course share your comment. I always love to hear from you. I will see you on my next video. Till then, bye.